2003 Toyota Camry 4-cylinder upper cam sensor replacement. 10mm ratchet and socket gets these two nuts off. These are just rubber push on, so basically you just pop them off. There you go. You can see your valve cover now. So the cam sensor replacement looks like this is the old one. I came down here, replaced it already. I'm just getting ready to snug it up with a 10mm socket, extension, and ratchet right there. So let's see. Okay, that's where it's at. It's right, if you're looking at it, looking down, it's right there. So here's the back of your valve cover, and it's right there. Okay, this, you'll see the 10mm bolt on top. Super caveman easily. You do have to finesse it, wiggle it out. Caveman easy.